What's up everyone?
No, that was, why did you talk like that?
I don't know, but we're gonna leave it because it's been a while since we're doing this.
You forgot to talk when you vlog.
I talk fine. Yeah, I don't know where this guys thing came from. Or is it the everyone? I don't know. It doesn't really matter. So we're back.
Yeah, we always say what's up guys. Or good morning guys. I don't know.
All right.
T and Andy are back.
Yes, we're back in our very first vlog, Inverhuron, which is a new provincial campsite for us.
It's not a new park, just for us.
Yeah, that's what...
No, I was just reiterating.
Okay. We got some kinks to work out still. We're a little rusty around the corner.
It's like when we first started vlogging.
Yeah, here. Be like, no, gotta do this again.
There's people that can see us.
There's people.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
No, we're just kidding.
All right, so Inverhuron, we're at the end of the season and we are finally coming out of hibernation. Yeah, last year was very eventful for us and it honestly just knocked YouTube way off the list. So we're back.
Yeah, we're back. We are back. We've got a lot of videos that should have gone up a while ago that didn't go up. So we're gonna be mass uploading some of those older videos for you guys. I hope that you still like them from our East Coast road trip. We have a trip that we did to Germany that's gonna be going up as well.
Oh yeah.
And then we've got like camping meals and some like random sporadic trips that we've taken over the last year that we're gonna post. And then we have Inverhuron. Our plan here at Inverhuron, we're not doing a lot of exploring.
Again.
We are going to be cooking.
Yeah.
Lots of recipes.
Yeah. We gonna do some more complicated ones this time. Okay, so we drove in. It doesn't look like there's a whole ton to do here anyways, so perfect.
It's a camp weekend.
Let's do this.
All right, Andy just went to go look for some water so we can just have it ready on the campsite and heat up like we normally do. I'm tending to the fire. He got it started. I'm gonna get it really going. And our first new recipe that we're trying tonight is more of it's not a meal, it's like, what do you call it? Like when you're like picky or you want to just like pick at food. So we're doing a spinach and artichoke dip over the campfire with some toasted baguette. It is getting dark. Hopefully we can still vlog this recipe for you guys. I think it's actually pretty easy to put together and it's gonna be pretty tasty. So looking forward to that and looking forward to sharing it. Oh, how I've missed this.
What?
Camping, vlogging, cooking.
It's been a while.
All right, so to make this artichoke and spinach dip, it's a pretty simple recipe. First of all, you're gonna take your cast iron. I just stuttered. Let me try it again. It's like I forgot how to vlog, honey.
You did.
Okay. All right, let me try this one more time. To make the artichoke and spinach dip, it's a very simple recipe. You're going to start with your cast iron pan. You're gonna take 1 brick of cream cheese, the whole thing. It's supposed to be room temperature. We took it out of the fridge a bit ago, so I'm gonna say it's room temperature enough. Oh yeah, it's pretty squishy. Okay, so whole pack. Andy's tending to the fire. All right, then you're supposed to take about a half a cup of sour cream. As per usual, we'll eyeball it because we're camping and don't have measuring cups. No problem. All right, so we basically need to mush this all together first. It's gonna be easier to mix everything else in once I break down this brick of cream cheese. So right now it's, ooh, that's a bug. Right now it's like one big brick, like that. Okay, I promise it's gonna taste a lot better than it looks so far. Right now it's just the sour cream and the cream cheese. Now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese in as well. I have some here in a bag. Again, I'm just gonna eyeball it. It says you're supposed to put about like, I don't know, half a cup in, but it really depends how cheesy you like it, so. Now, I did pre-prep some of this at home. So what we're adding here is garlic and lemon juice into that mixture as well. And then lastly, we have our spinach and artichoke. Again, I prepped this at home. This was just frozen spinach that I thawed and squeezed all the water out of. And then the artichoke hearts, I just cut them up. And you just mix that in. All right, this doesn't look great with the bright light I'm shining on it. I swear it looks better if it was daytime right now, but I basically mixed it all together, smoothed it all out, and the last thing we're gonna do is top this again with some Parmesan cheese. However much you want. If you like it really cheesy, you can put more. If you don't, you can put less. And now we're basically gonna cover this in tin foil, put it on top of the campfire, and let it cook for, I'd say between 10 and 20 minutes, depending how high your fire is. Right now, Andy's still trying to get ours going because it went out. So we'll check back in when this is, I guess, almost ready to cook. Okay, I forgot to bring a brush to put a little bit of olive oil on the bread. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in this plate here and then dip them, and then we're gonna throw them over the fire too to toast the little baguette.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, it doesn't look as good as I thought it was gonna look. I hope it tastes good.
When you're doing a campfire meal, sometimes all it takes is a little stir.
Okay, that looks pretty legit. It looks hot.
What? So Tia said that she forgot the salt in this. Good move. She didn't forget. Intentionally didn't salt this. It's salty enough as it is.
I mean, it is a lot of cheese. So. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna put this back on so that it doesn't get cold too quick. Open it halfway and we're gonna dig in.